In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Google Sheets into your website or blog. This is a fantastic way to share information, whether you're showcasing data, projecting statistics, or simply want to add dynamic content to your site. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your Google Sheet. Make sure that you have the correct document ready, as this will form the basis of your embedded content. Go ahead and open your browser, navigate to Google Sheets, and pull up the sheet that you want to embed. Once you have it in front of you, you're ready for the next steps. With your Google Sheet open, head towards the top menu and click on the File option. You'll notice a drop-down menu appears. As you hover over the Share section within this menu, you may see several options. From these, select Publish to Web. This action will bring up a dialog box that's key to the embedding process. Now, within this dialog box, you'll find a couple of tabs. Click on the one labeled Embed. This is where you choose how your Google Sheet is displayed on your website or blog. You can select whether to embed the entire document or just a specific sheet. This is particularly useful if you only want to share one section of the data without cluttering your web page with unnecessary information. Once you've made your choice, go ahead and click the Publish button. A prompt will appear, asking you to confirm this action. This is normal. Simply confirm to proceed. By doing this, you'll generate something known as an iframe embed code. This code is essential as it allows you to seamlessly integrate the sheet into your site. Now that the iframe embed code has been generated, the next step is to copy it from the text box provided. This piece of code is what you will add to your site's HTML. So, make sure to copy it accurately. It's usually just a simple click and drag action or a quick use of your copy shortcut key. Finally, it's time to paste this code into your website or blog. Access the HTML editor of your website and find the spot where you want your Google Sheet to appear. Then, paste the code directly there. After saving your changes and refreshing the page, your embedded Google Sheet should appear, ready for all visitors to see. And there you have it. In just a few steps, you've successfully embedded a Google Sheet into your website or blog. Not only is this an efficient method to present data, but it also keeps your content dynamic and interactive. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and now feel empowered to share your Google Sheets online. Thanks for watching.